Okay, so I just wanted to give an update on what they did today. The electrician was here and the floor guy was here. And so the floor is in, all in. And the electrician guy not only put all these switches for the lights in, but you can see that he put the electrical outlets in too. So they're all here. And all the electrical outlets are in. There's one right there. And they got switches here. That one turns that light on. And then this one turns that light off. But this is the cool part. Watch this. So turn that light on and then watch what happens. These are dimmer switches. Same thing with that one. So and the cats are very content in here. They've been coming in here a lot, even when the plastic, they know how to get under the plastic sheeting. And since I got my chair in here, which is great, without any worries about nails and screws or getting in my wheels or I won't worry about my seatbelt. But if I wanted to, and I have slept in my power chair before. Not in here, but it was actually out in the living room. So you can see the covers for the lights on, and there's our new HVAC system. And so tomorrow they're gonna put the vanity in the bathroom in, which I'm really excited about. And I don't know if Dan's excited about it, but my mom is. And they're gonna she's excited about the tile going in, where it goes in, and I think they're planning to put it in a couple weeks. And so that'll be fun to see. So this is where our bed will be, because this is our bedroom. And our headboard will be right up against that wall. And so we'll be facing out toward, we'll be facing this. And so my power chair will be parked, if there's room, parked right in that corner, because the electrical outlet is right there. And so, and then our closet organizers are going in next week but we have to still wait to put our clothes and other stuff in, because we have to do some more work. And so, but the good news is that we got the green light to have our cable and internet installed back in this room, because it got torn out when the interior got demolished. So that'll be exciting. So cable will be in this room, and then the internet will be in the other room. And so, pretty exciting.